Hello audience, myself Dr. Alok, and our today's topic is start your day with 300 ml hot water and it have a surprising effect. Let's see what effect they have. Water is essential factor for our survival. You know very well, life without water is not possible. A normal human being must be drink 3 liter of water per day, and when body surface area increases or more than a normal people or the fatty people, the consumption of water should be more. Drinking plenty of water have a lot of benefits on over joint pain, obesity as well as skin. Hot water have some additional exclusive benefits of their own. What are the different health benefits of the hot water? We will discuss here. The first one, it merits is it detoxifies your body. It means it will remove the toxic material from your body. Drinking hot water detoxifies the body and clean the system by flushing toxins through urine and sweats. It is better for digestion also. Drinking hot water can diminish the risk of constipation because it can break down the food faster in comparison to the cold water. The cold water hardens the fat molecule after the meal and not easily digest from your body. It improves the blood circulation also. Hot water has a vasodilator effect. Vasodilation, it means the vessels are dilated and the space is more for the movement of the blood inside the body, by which vessels dilates and stimulate the blood flow. The muscle of the body relax with the plenty of blood with oxygen. It helps to reduce the weight loss. Drinking hot water before a meal enhances the metabolism of the body, and it enhances the metabolism by approximately 30% more. Additional hot water, or we say like additionally, hot water break down the adipose tissue that is deposited in our body in the belly side as well as the hip side. It is removed from the body. Hot water remove the additional adipose from your body. It helps in the menstrual cramps also. Hot water can reduce the menstrual cramps by relaxing the muscle. Natural pain relief. Hot water have a natural pain relief. Drinking warm water increase blood flow to the tissue, allowing muscular to the relax. It have a skin protection also. Drinking warm water makes our digestion easy and thus repair the skin cells. It also intensification the elasticity of the skin by releasing out the toxin from the body. If you like this information, kindly subscribe us, like us and support us. Thank you.